Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. We are on the topic of depreciation, just studying the straight line method, how the depreciation is calculated. Now, I would like to tell you yesterday the calculation of the profit or loss when the any assets become obsolete. I mean to say the out of use. How this is calculated, computed, and the accounting treatment given. In straight line method, question number 7, you have sent me the problems through this video. You can deserve the fact, you can deserve the information given in the question. Now you can see, my dear, just question number 7. Bhushan and company purchased a machinery on 1st April 2015 for rupees 54,000 and spent rupees 6,000 on its installation. On 1st December 2016, it purchased another machine for rupees 30,000. Now, dear children, on 30 June 2017, the first machine purchased on 1st April 2015 is sold for rupees 36,000. And on the same date, it purchased a new machinery for rupees 80,000. On December 1st, 2018, the second machine purchased on December 1st, 2016 was also sold off for rupees 26,000. Depreciation was provided on machinery at the rate of 10% per annum on original cost method annually on 31st March. Means this one is the stream that is given April to March. So dear children, whether the stream given April to March, that is not the calendar year. So two types of the stream may be given in the information in the question. First one, assessment year, financial year, that is the April to March, and second one, calendar year, January to December. So mind it and try to pay your kind notice. What about the information given in the question regarding the date? So date you must have. You will have to pay your attention. Remember, then you can solve the question easily. Otherwise, the depreciation, whether the depreciation charged may be wrong. So, now come to the point. First, we have to draw the format of preparing the machinery account. Question number 7. You can see question number 7. From your textbook, Bhushan Limited. Just this way you have to draw the line. Now you can see. You can see, my dear, middle of the page, just you have to draw vertical line, thick lines that must be, and this one is the laser format. Just we have to write over here. This one is the date column, and here also justification, a little bit of working note required, and you can see now see, you can write on head machinery account, date, particulars, voucher number, amount, date, this one is the column of date. After that, no other column required. So you can see over here particulars. And you can see, my dear, we are just only the column of amount and voucher number. All right. You can see through this video, just this way you can voucher number, amount. This one is the credit column, right hand side, and left hand side debit column. And go through the information step by step. The questions given are, dear children, Bhushan Limited purchased a machinery on 1st April 2015. So you can write over here 1415 to bank, first machine, to bank, first machine purchased. Just the 54,000 and rest of the amount is spent by the company on its installation. So 6,000, the cost will be 60,000. You can write over here, children, 60,000. And then after the date end on 1st December 2016, that is given. So at the end of the year, just the depreciation will be charged. 31/3/16, मतलब 31st March 2016, the year will be end by depreciation. 10% per annum, that is given 6,000. Then you can balance the first machine by balance 54,000. Now you can just your complain against this only English, so you can observe in Hindi fact also. I will try my best. 60,000, just you can write 60,000. So here the 60,000. Now the next year begins from 1st April 2016, 1/4/16 to balance. To balance 54,000. Just you can see over here 54,000. And the next machine that is being purchased on 1st December. So 1/12/17 to bank, second machine also being purchased. My dear, the amount of the second machine 30,000. You can write over here 30,000. Is it? So on 31st March 17. Oh, sorry. In third year it will be purchased, na? So first December 2016 was December 16, not 17. 1/12/16. To bank second machine or just the purchase being purchased. So 30,000. And the depreciation will be charged by depreciation. By depreciation for the first machine, that is 6,000, and the second machine. Now dear children, just you can see दूसरी मशीन का डेप्रिसिएशन होगा 30,000 का 10%, 3,000, और चूंकि ये मशीन दिसंबर में खरीदी गई है तो 4 महीने का 3,000 इंटू 4/12, 1,000 is equal to depreciation 7,000. Now this way you can total this one 84,000 and just here 72,000. 7,000 will be minus 77,000. In third year we can enter 1,417. To balance 77,000, just we can see, and then after that is given 30 June 2017. 30 June 2017, the first machine was sold for rupees 36,000. I mean to say the machine 60,000 was purchased, first machine was sold. So 30 June means April, May, June. 4-month depreciation will be charged. 30 June 17. 30 June 17. By bank we can write. By bank, this one is has been sold 36,000. The first machine, and the depreciation will be charged for 4 months. Also 4 महीने का डेप्रिसिएशन भी लगेगा बेटा इस पर, क्योंकि 4 महीने ये मशीन चल रही है। 2 साल भर का आपका 6,000 इंटू 4/12, 2,000. And the next information given, and on the same date it purchased the new machinery for rupees 80,000. एक और मशीन खरीदी जा रही है उसी डेट को, तो 36 and 17 to bank third machine. टू बैंक थर्ड मशीन आपने परचेज कर लिया। ये है आपका, ये हो गया आपका 80,000 का आपने खरीदा। सो यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर 80,000। जस्ट देन आफ्टर 31st 3/18 को डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज होगा। बाय डेप्रिसिएशन by depreciation. Oh, sorry. Just we have to calculate on the machine sold. Calculation whether we earn profit or loss on first machine. So now, dear children, the cost of the machine is equal to 60,000. You can see over here in working note 60,000, and the depreciation is charged 6,000, 6,000 and 2,000. से 12 तो 14 है. So minus 14,000. 14,000 अब कास्ट हो जाएगी. जब हम मशीन बेच रहे हैं उस समय इसकी कास्ट हो जाएगी 6, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, 46,000. और हम 36,000 की मशीन को बेच रहे हैं. तो आप देखेंगे कि लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीनरी 1,500 ना, 1,500 6,000 इंटू 3/2 मशीन बेच रहे हैं हम. वो 30 जून को बेच रहे हैं, तो 3 महीने का अप्रैल मई जून 1,500. तो बाय लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीनरी, बाय लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीनरी फर्स्ट मशीन इज इक्वल टू 10,500 and 31st 3/18 by depreciation. By depreciation on second machine that is 30,000. स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड है, तो 3,000 सेकेंड मशीन का हो जाएगा 3,000 प्लस उसके बाद 80,000 पे हमने 30 जून को खरीदा है, तो 9 महीने का 8,000 का 9 महीने का डेप्रिसिएशन निकाल लेंगे आप. 8,000 इंटू 9/12, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 6,000. 6,000. The depreciation will be 9,000. Just you can see over here. Now the balance you can find this way: 007 157. See over here, 0 5 5 10 को यहाँ से लगा 1 और 7 के साथ 9 17 और 7 यहाँ से लगा 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 by balance. Now in third year 1 4 18, just you can see 2 balance. One lakh. Now you can see over here on December 1st 2018, the second machine purchased on December 1st 2016 was also sold at ₹26,000. December 1st means 1/12/18. 1/12/18 by bank. Same process. By bank कितने मशीन बिकी, whatever the amount sold the second machine, by bank 26,000 डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज कर लीजिए आप, बाय डेप्रिसिएशन इस मशीन पर अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, 9 मंथ का। तो इस मशीन का जो आपने खरीदा सेकंड मशीन वो 30,000 का है, तो 30,000 3,000 का 3,000 इंटू 9/12 दिसंबर, 1 दिसंबर है तो 10 मंथ, पहली दिसंबर को ना 10 मंथ, 1 दिसंबर को बेचेंगे तो 10 आपका मशीन जो चलेगा पहली दिसंबर 4 महीने 12 बचे 8 महीने का। दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च ये 4 महीने मशीन नहीं चल रही है, 8 महीने चल रही है आपके पास, तो हो गया 2,000। that will be the 2,000। क्लियर? नवंबर तक चल रही है भाई, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च 4 महीने नहीं चल रही है आपकी। तो ये हो गया। अब इसका कैलकुलेट करना है। मशीन की कीमत हमारे कितनी थी? 30,000 रुपए। 30,000 रुपए है मशीन की कीमत। तो 30,000 में से हमारा जो डेप्रिसिएट हुआ है अमाउंट वो कितना हुआ है? सेकंड मशीन का, थर्ड मशीन का था ये, सेकंड मशीन का 3,000 और 1,000, 3 1 4 और 2 6 माइनस 6,000 इक्वल टू 24,000 and the machinery is sold on machinery is sold। अब हम जब मशीन को बेच रहे हैं तो हमारे मशीन की कीमत 24,000 हो रही है और 26,000 बेच रहे हैं तो प्रॉफिट होगा। तो टू प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीनरी सेकंड, प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ सेकंड मशीनरी, सेकंड machine 2,000। Just you can write this column and also sold। Okay, now that is the end of the questions। So dear children, 31st 3/19 by